Now we're going to work up here on the window itself. Bring you in a little closer so you can take a peek at it, show you what we got. As you can see, we got a hole here, somebody welded it here, another hole here, but I'm going to braze that in. But this here, I'm going to cut it out up into here, along in here. So, go ahead, I got it measured. I got to have a piece 1 1/4. I'll start it out big, make it by 1 1/4 by 4 1/4, I think it was. So we'll go over to the table and get it cut out. Alright, I got a piece of metal here. And get this cleaned off a little bit. Make life a little easier. Scrap metal, like I said, never throw anything away. You never know. As you can see, laying all over the bench. Little scrap pieces. So we need 4 1/4 inches. Which is right there. Which is right there. So, draw a line there. And then we need it 1 1/4. We're making it bigger than what we need. So we'll go right there. And right there. Alright, we'll get that cut out. Alright, get this cut out. You get down here and follow your line. There. Then I want to come over here and do the same. That's what we end up with. Alright, we got the piece cut out. We'll come over here. Close enough. Gotta find halfway on that. Get it over here. 1 1/4. Five eighths. Okay, we'll bend that at a 90. So we got our marks. We got this here. Do that like that, like that. Line up that. Our 90. You don't want a real tight bend on it. It's not going to be a 90 either. It's going to be a little bit shorter than that. So, I'll go over and check that. See what that looks like. Alright, that looked pretty good. It's not a true 90. And I sat everything back from where the line for the bend is, where this comes up. Right here, where it beds it. I set the top piece back a little, 1/8 of an inch or so. So instead of a sharp bend, I got a nice radius on it to match what's there. Now we got to make it go like that. Okay, so over here on a shrinker, shrinker. Let me might lay it down here. That looks better. All we got to do is put a bend in it. Now you're going to do a lot of walking back and forth because you want to do a little bit at a time. Take it over, see how it's going, come back, do some more. I'll be right back. You got to move it back up in here a little more, put some in here. We'll check. Okay, we got it sitting pretty good. Now what we got to do is this is straight. And we got to stretch the top so that it's got a little bend that way in it. So we'll change the jaws. Oh, I don't know who put them in. Now to show you the difference, these are stretching jaws, or shrinking. See the gap here? They go together like that. It draws your metal up. These here, they don't have a gap. They go the opposite way. They open up. Okay. Well, that goes in like that. Right about here is where the hump is. So I got to see if I can do something with that. No guarantee. Ooh, I didn't like that. But we can put that back in. Alright, that's all it needed. Needs a little bit here. Open this up a little bit. That was probably too much. Looks pretty good. So, I'll take you over and show you what we've been working. Yeah, we're working on right here. We're going to cut this out. That's what we've been working on. Get that to lay in there like that. We're going to do some trimming. And we'll get her up there. Alright, what we got now, let me get this here. I got to cut this out down in here, which isn't going to be bad, up to here. That's going to be a pain in the ass. Here we have a spot weld. Somebody's welded here, and they welded it here. So I got to break all that apart so I can get to that. So what we're going to do is first we're going to cut this. Go from there. We're going to have to take it out a little bit at a time. So we all know the rule when we go to grinding. You can't be anywhere near it.